Okay, another R107 video. Your little vent switches. Turns the vent on and off. Are yours sticky, not going all the way? Are they not moving nice and smooth like you want them to? Because it's a Mercedes, they should move nice and smooth. Inside, you can see that little vent hose. Set that up. See a little vent hose? And I'm going to reach under and point with something. This is the little pivot. There's a flap in there that opens and closes, pivots like this, kind of like a throttle flap or a choke flap. And the wire that moves it is behind here. You can feel it. I can't show it to you, but you can feel it. It attaches on this side, and there's a little arm, and it flops back and forth. And there's a wire and cable that runs up behind here to another little arm. So when this goes back and forth, it pushes it back and forth like a little bicycle cable. Just lubricate that little pin and the little pin on the other side of it. You can feel it. I can't show you it. If you use, I use Seafoam Deep Creep on almost everything that I have to lubricate, and I keep the hoses from the Seafoam. It's like a throttle body cleaner. It's like an L-shaped hose with a little bracket on it, and it goes inside of your air intake, and you can spray it while your car is running. Instead of having to pour the liquid Seafoam in, you can spray it in. And I keep the hoses from those just for applying lubricant in little places like that. And it really freed this up in like 5 minutes, just putting a little bit of lubricant on that side and that side. This thing was sticky, it wouldn't go past here, and now it goes all the way both directions. Anyway, more little anal stuff to come. Thanks for watching.